Hello everybody, I just want to briefly explain this task for you. So when we're making non-chronological reports, we need to be accurate with our paragraphs, and we need to make sure that the paragraphs we write are only containing information about the correct topic. So this activity is a chance for you to practice doing that. You've got a load of information here in the table, and you've got to rewrite it into paragraphs. Now you've got to make it easy for someone to follow by putting the right information into the right paragraphs. Now you can see that some of the words are bigger, so there's no reason they can't be subheadings. Pretty similar to the reports we've looked at. Subheadings can just be a simple explanation of what that paragraph is about. So you've got to read those paragraphs, read this information and put it into the right paragraph. That will help you when it comes to forming your own paragraphs slightly later in the week. Short explanation, it should be a simple task, but if you do have any problems, like always, just please give me a question and we'll work it out. Okay, good luck.